How to fix iOS 18 update not showing on your device or on your in your iPhone. So it's an easy process, so let's start. First of all, just open your settings and then just go to the general option and then click to the software update option. After that, if you can't see your iOS 18 not showing, so just click to the automatic update option and then just turn on the three options in the showing there, and then just come back and click to the beta update option, and you can see four options will be showing there. First one is off. If you are on the off option, then just click to the iOS 18 developer beta option, and also three option is showing there: iOS 17 public beta and iOS 17 developer beta. So if you want to install iOS 18 developer beta, just click on that and then just come back and then just refresh this page. After that, your iOS 18 beta will be showing there, and then just click to the download and update option. After that, your update will be downloaded, and if you want to install this, just click to the update now option. After that, iOS 18 beta will be installed on your device. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.